What is up guys, BKR TV, and I just got another quick tutorial for you guys. It's not related to WWE, 2K or any specific game, but it's just a little tip or trick on how to make your text in Affinity go, for example, in a curve or in a angle. In other words, how to create text paths. See, unlike for example word art on a PowerPoint or Photoshop's text path options, there's not much with Affinity that you can really do. The only real way to do it is, for example, if I was to draw a circle, I'm just going to make it black so you can see it, and I'll just center it a little bit. There we go. If you then go on the text tool, and if you look, if I go towards the outline of the circle, you see a little yellow node appear, and the outline lights up a little yellow. If you now double click, it converts the circle into, as this layer says, a shape path for your text. And then these little triangles, you can set the start point for the text or the end point for the text, and it has certain areas where it will snap to, for example each quarter or each third. So what you can do then is you can just type, for example, let's type BKR TV, because why not? And as you can see, it curved. If you want, for example, to go the whole way around, you can then click off it, so it's no longer on the text tool, you're on the arrow tool, but still on the layer, and you can increase the font of the text, creating a curved shape. And if you oversize it, it then goes into the inside, and if you were to click on the text tool, it created additional triangles that you can move around to get it positioned how you want. But what I'm going to do is I'm just going to shrink it a little bit for the next couple tips you can see. And for example, this tool here reverses the text path, so flips it, and then say you wanted it on the inside, you can use these flip vertical tools like you would with any shape, and it will flip the text as well. So if I just reverse that back to how it was, the baseline tool, or the your offset on your baseline, assuming that the outline of the circle is 0, if I was to increase this, it moves the offset of the baseline higher up the letter. So in theory, 50 would be roughly halfway. It's not in the case of this font, but you get the idea. The higher the baseline, the more set inside the shape it goes. And this works with shapes. It can also work with curved lines, and I'm just going to show you how to do that. So I'm just going to untick this so I've not got rid of it. If I go to the pen tool, make 3 random nodes, I'm just going to turn the fill off but increase the stroke so you can see what I'm doing. I'm going to take the little node arrow, curve these lines so we have some really odd looking shape, but the same rule applies. You can take the text tool, click at any point and double click with the text tool, and you can create the font. And as you can see, as I'm trying to increase the baseline a little bit, the text follows the curve. So that's just a quick little tutorial on how to create text paths or curved text for designs, logos, whatever you're planning to make. Anyway, it's been BKR TV. Please like, favorite and subscribe for more Affinity tutorials and also more 2K videos. I'm always designing, always making new attires. But as always, I will catch you guys on the next one, and peace.